Welcome. We're delighted to have you join our discovery tour from ExxonMobil Signature Polymers on incorporating recycled content from waste to value. Whether it's improving design for recyclability, enhancing performance, or helping brands meet evolving regulatory and sustainability goals, ExxonMobil Signature Polymers has got you covered.
Talking about PCR inclusion, come and join me for a tour where I will show you different examples where we could and how we could incorporate PCR in film application. With the official publication of the European Packaging and Packaging Waste Regulation, it will be mandatory to incorporate PCR in non-sensitive film application. However, incorporating recycled content presents challenges due to the degradation in properties that can affect performance and processability. So in order to overcome these issues, ExxonMobil polymer signatures, such as their performance boosting rate, can compensate for fluctuation in PCR quality. Now, let me show you through a few examples how can PCR incorporation could be done in industrial application and the benefit they provide. The first sample I would like to show you is a compression packaging case incorporating high level of PCR. This case study was developed in between Aspla, a company from the Alvarez Group, BW Converting, representing Hansen & Sharp, and ExxonMobil Polymer. We developed together a 40-micron compression film for hygiene bags, incorporating up to 70% of PCR. We did that thanks to Exit stiff polyethylene resins that we incorporated in the formulation. The high level of PCR was also considered because of the Spanish tax. There is a direct correlation in between the amount of tax and the level of virgin resin. So the more PCR we put, the less tax we pay. This film packaging demonstrated excellent tear and puncture resistance, improved creep resistance for shape retention, and smooth conversion, which means the film converted exactly the same way as others on the Hansen & Sharp lines. This demo proves that high-level PCR content in packaging is not only possible, it can also do the job. I would like to take a few more minutes to show you another example of how we can think out of the box. This film that we call high tenacity power stretch, which is a patented structures, incorporates up to 35% PCR, as we said. It directly matches the properties of power pre-stretch films based only on virgin resins. The trick is the high tenacity provided by ExxonMobil Signature Polymer Exit Flow and the VistaMax. Let me show you another example of how we have been able to push the limit of PCR incorporation. These samples represent threshold incorporating up to 35% of household PCR. With the high demand in PCR, PCR of good quality becomes less and less available. Therefore, ExxonMobil Signature Polymer, together with Reif and others, Lachenmeier Signode, and Grunepunkt, developed these case studies. For that project, we partnered with Grunepunkt, providing household PCR. Also, we partnered with Reif and others and their innovation line, part of the Fusion family, which incorporates a twin screw extruder. And in the formulation, we consider ExxonMobil Signature Polymers such as Exit Tough Plus and VistaMax to get the boosting effect and the right properties for the final film. And last but not least, this film was hooding a pallet thanks to our partner Lachenmeier as part of the Signode group. As you can see on this sample, the film had not only the right performance but also the right elasticity and stretchability to perfectly cover and maintain and contain the load. That means load stability during transportation. So to finish that tour, I would like to emphasize on two samples. This one on the right is a valve bags that we developed with our partner Selene. Thanks to Exit Tough Plus and VistaMax, we have been able to make a valve bags perfect for use with a down gauging. And last but not least, as we implement what we promote, I would like to show you these bags where from our Meraut plant, we pack low EVA in this structure. So this structure contains 50% recycled PCR, and that's exactly what we use. We promote it, we use it in our plant.